Hello, this is Casey Stubbs from Winner's Edge Trading. How is everyone doing today? It's Thursday, January 21st at 6:55 a.m. and I wanted to go over the trade that I had posted 2 days ago to see how it worked out. I remember it was on the Euro USD on a half-hour chart. So if you can remember from the last video, I placed an entry position when we crossed over the body of the previous high right here on a half-hour chart. So that was the long position. I was hoping that the trade would go up and retrace maybe 50% here. And so let's see. I'll move it over. It went up, half-hour chart, then dropped down, then it dropped back down. Remember, I placed my stop here, and then we had an up move up to 143.084. I had actually moved my stop to break even at that point, and then it moved back down, which would break even was about right here, 142.91, and I got stopped out right here for about a break even or 0.1 pip. So today I wanted to go over a different trade idea and that would be with the Euro Great British Pound. I wanted to show you that chart. Go to that on the daily chart. Okay, now you can see we have the Euro Great British Pound right here, and the pair went up here, down to here, up, down, up. It is coming off its highs of 94, and we are definitely on a downtrend all the way down to right now at 86. However, we are currently on a run where the pair has been down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days in a row. And when you're down that many days in a row, you know that there's got to be a point when nothing goes down forever. There's got to be a point when it's going to consolidate and possibly move back up. So I'm looking at this pair right now, and we have our first green bar, and a buy signal would definitely be taking out these highs right here at 87.34. If the daily, this is a daily chart, if the daily chart closes above 87.34 tomorrow, which in the trading day would be at 5 o'clock Eastern time tonight, would definitely be the time to place a long order right here, and you could put your stops in down a couple pips below the bottom of this low on the daily candle. Now, when we're looking for targets, we look at this move and we think about how much it's going to retrace. One thing you can do is use moving averages. I have a 200 moving average here, a 40 moving average, and a 21 moving average, all simple moving averages. So you could say, okay, well, this 200 would be a good position because one is the 200 moving average here, this yellow, is always a good support level, and in addition to that, the 200, not support level, resistance level rather, the 200 is about at a 50% retracement. Now when we're in a current downtrend this strong, you can see we haven't hardly been getting any retracements at all. So I want to take a look and see exactly where that mark is. So I'm going to add a Fibonacci. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to add one. And the way you do that is you click on it and you write it down. You write it down and draw it on the chart. Okay, I've done that. So if you can see here, the 50% level is at 88.37. So if you put your buy in here, your 50% level would be 88.37. I think that would be a good spot to put your limit order. However, once you do that, make sure that you will move your stop as soon as you are profitable, around 10 pips. And one strategy that I like to do to increase the ability to let my traders run is to open multiple positions. So I might, when I open the position here, I might open 3 positions and take my first stop at around 10 pips profit, put my next position at the 50% Fibonacci level, and then also continue to let the third position run for as many pips as I can get. However, I realize that this is a downtrend right now, so we're not looking for a complete retracement. I would actually look for a very limited possibility of a buy here. However, if this thing goes up 50%, and at that point it would be great to find another opportunity for a sell, because the euro right now is very weak and the pound is showing some strength, and the euro has been getting hit all over the place. So this would be a great opportunity if this thing can retrace back up to 88.50 level and we see the pair begin to drop back down. That would be a great opportunity to enter in short for long term. Okay, well, that's it for today. Thank you for visiting Winner's Edge Trading, and just continue to check us out. Okay, thank you.